Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I want to give you an update on this radio, this emergency radio by iRONSNOW. I did all the testing offline, so here are the results. It's very similar to the other iRONSNOW radio I showed you. The full charge test, where I charged the internal battery with a USB charger, and then I let it play with the radio on and the light on the right hand side as you're seeing it right now, and it played for 17 hours continuous, radio and lamp on 17 hours. Then I did my crank test, where I crank for a minute, I rest for a minute, I crank for a minute, and I crank for a total of 5 minutes, and then I do the same thing. I turn the radio on and I turn the lamp on, and that played for 58 minutes, almost an hour, continuous playing. The last test I did, which is not in a very controlled environment, is I did the solar test. Again, each of these tests, I completely discharged the radio and then did the test. So I completely discharged the radio, then I took the radio, put it in a window with indirect sunlight, and it was overcast sometimes and full sun sometimes, kind of like a normal day, in Florida especially. And so I left it out there for 8 hours. I left it in the window for 8 hours. And it played for 19 minutes, only 19 minutes, which is a long time, but only played for 19 minutes with leaving it in the sun, partial sun, not direct sun, partial sun most of the day. So that's the test results. Now, something more exciting is my last show, I talked about getting some kind of alert or email or something when the solar flux index rose to a certain level that you defined. Well, I haven't found that so far. But Two Hands in a Radio, the gentleman that does that show, Two Hands in a Radio, sent me a suggested website, and we'll go to it right now. Here it is right here. Whoops, let me go to the top of it. This is the website, Space Weather Prediction Center. And I'll put the link to this website down in the first comment. You go there, you have to subscribe, and then there's a ton of information they will send you. And if I come down here where I was, these are all the things, the reports and stuff they will send you. And you select, once you subscribe, you can then select which ones you want. And like I say, there's a ton of them, most of which I have no idea what they're saying. If you come way down here at the bottom, there's one, and what I did is I selected about a half a dozen that kind of looked like they would give me the information I wanted. Well, one of them did. Again, it's not a alert that you can set a level on. It's just an email that you get. In this case, I'm getting about every 3 hours. I'm getting an email. And it's this one right here, the geophysical alert message. Comes about every 3 hours. And here's one right here. Nope, that's not one. Here's one right here. So here's the email I got. And here's what's in the email. And you can see I've gotten a couple of them. Get them every 3 hours now. And it tells you the solar flux index, and this is, like I say, every 3 hours continuously. So it's right now, it's in the toilet at 67. The K index, which is a 1, that's good. We want that number to be 1, low. Then it says no solar storms were observed. It says that twice for some reason. I'm not sure why. Oh, were observed and are predicted. Okay, so that's the information I wanted, but I was looking for some way to set it up that it only sent me the email when it reached a certain level. I haven't found that yet. So for now, this will suffice. It's kind of a reminder that I get every couple hours, and I'll just take a quick glance at it, look at the number right here, and see if it's jumped up. If it doesn't. If it hasn't, I'll just delete the message. So I will send you, let me go back to there, and I can show you, here is the link right up here. And I'll cut and paste that in the first comment on this show. So if you want to go there, you have to sign up to get these. It's very easy to do. There's no cost. And they will send you this information or tons of other information about solar conditions or weather conditions in general. So that's it. That's the show. Thanks everybody for using my Amazon store. Thanks everybody for watching. Thanks everybody that has subscribed. And especially thanks people that take the time to use the share button and share my show for other people so that other people can find my show. We're so close to 10,000 subscribers. I finally broke 9,000 about a month or so ago, and I'm edging just ever so slowly towards 10,000 subscribers. That's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.